Chingri Malai Curry. I made it today. I have shared the recipe. I'm going to give you a Naka walk. Now, I don't know how to translate Naka in English, but you can try. But taste, try my recipe, and then talk. Today, I made some prawn malai curry. Trust me, this is a crazy, amazing recipe. I'm so sick and tired of people looking for Punjabi food all the time when they look for Indian food. Try some Bengali food, man. You're gonna love it. Keep watching. Recipe coming up. Here I've taken 1200 grams of prawns. We call this golda chingri. This is really big, but you can take any kind of prawns you like. Now we will marinate this with turmeric and salt. This has been marinated with turmeric and salt. Take a food processor, add 4 onions. We will make a paste out of these 4 onions. Onion paste is ready. I've taken 4 tablespoons of cashews, 4 tablespoons of raisins, and I've kept them soaked for 30 minutes. Add your raisins, your cashews, and some green chilies. I've taken about 12. Take according to your choice. Add some water and make a paste of this. The paste is ready. I've heated some refined oil. Now we're going to lightly fry the prawns. Don't fry for too long, just a little bit, and then take it out. We're doing them in batches. First batch done. We have fried the first batch. Now we will fry the second batch. Now to this oil, add some ghee. Adding some whole spices. There's cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves, and cardamoms. Adding the onion paste. This is quite a heavy dish and it's yum. Once in a while, making it in this way is great fun. Now fry this till it's a little brown. Now add a tablespoon and a half of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Again, cook this till the raw smell goes away. Now when the oil separates, add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, and about 2-3 spoons of sugar because sweet is a part of this recipe. Now again, keep cooking this till the oil separates. Adding a little water so that the masala doesn't burn. Again, when the oil separates, add your green chili, kaju and kishmish paste. This is the raisin, kaju and green chili paste. Once again, cook it till the oil separates. Almost time to put in the coconut milk. Masala is almost ready. The oil has separated. I'm adding 5 cups of coconut milk. Now give this a good mix and we bring this to a boil and then we will add our prawn. Now I have added the prawns. Add them only once the gravy comes to a boil. Cover and cook it till your prawn is cooked. Try it and let me know how you like it. This in Bengali we call chingri malai curry. It's basically large prawns that I've used, but you can, just use any size of prawns. But give it a try and let me know how you like it.